When you're asked to find the percentile, you need to identify what you're actually looking at. So let's think about this. If I draw the normal distribution curve, and I know that my mean is straight down the center, and so in this case my mean is 55. Okay, well, let's think about this. So as I go from left to right, well, I know that all of this up to the 55 would be my 50th percentile. So if I think about it, okay, let's think about this rationally. So up to this would be my 50th percentile. So 55 is your 50th percentile. Your median, your mean, that type of thing. I want the 84th percentile. So that means I want 84% underneath this normal distribution curve. So here's 50% up to this point. So I need to go another 34% over here. So here's 50% plus another 34%. So all of this area to the left, percentiles always start from the smallest going towards the right. And so percentiles are always shaded to the left. This area right here is going to be 84%. Now, since this is 84%, that means that this right here is the same thing as 0.8400. That is my percentage. That is the amount that is actually in the shaded area here. So what I need to do now is I need to take this value and go over to my normal distribution chart, which I'm going to come over here. Here's my cumulative normal distribution chart. Well, this part in here is my area. So what I'm doing is where I draw my line here, the area that I'm looking for is 0.84. So the area is 0.84. So the area is on the inside of my chart. So that means I need to look for the area on the inside. So I need to find a 0.84 on the inside of the chart. Well, it's more than 50%, so it's more than this 0.5. So I need to find a 0.8400. So I come down. Okay, here's 0.81. Here's 0.84. So I kind of come across. So 84 is between 8.3 and 8.4. Here's where I have a 0.8389. And here's my 0.8413. What I need to do is I need to find which one 0.84 is closest to. Well, this one is only basically 11 points away. Because if I wanted to count up to 0.84, well, 0.8389 is 11 points away. This one's 13 points away. So this one is closer. So what I do is I need to find my z-score that corresponds. So I'm going to follow this over. That's going to be a positive 0.9. And I'll follow it up until I get to the top. And that would be a 9. So my z-score is a 0.99. Most of the time our z-score is written our value minus our mean divided by our standard deviation. Well, in this case, we are actually looking for our value. So with a little bit of algebra and everything, we rewrite this to where our value is equal to our z-score times our standard deviation plus our mean. So in our case, our z-score was 0.99. Our standard deviation is 9. And then our mean is 55. Multiply the 0.99 times the 9. Add the 55. And you will get 63.91. Anytime you're given a percentile, that percentile is the value that you will look for in the center of your cumulative normal chart and get the z-score for it.